What's going on, guys? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. For all you whaler folks out here, this is a very rare gem. 2022 150 Montauk with a 64 stroke. Only 74 hours on this thing, so you're going to want to come see it right away. I'm going to show you my favorite feature on here is that if you're swimming, you have a transom remote for your audio. There's fusion on this boat. That's right there at the transom, really slick. You also have a Raymarine dash, so you're able to see your maps, fish finder on there, hour gauge, of course. Really nice storage in this boat as well. You have a locker right here, and also if you take off this padding in the front, you're also gonna have some storage underneath. Coming around this boat, you can see that it has 4 rod holders right above that seat. And my favorite part right here is the tackle box storage. Really sleek feature, so you can have everything tidy in this 15-foot boat. Again, this is a very rare find at MarineMax Nisswa, so come check it out today.